Open your eyes while I say this. I think your love might be dangerous. I might fall in, it's contagious. I love your sign and body language.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how I did these French braids. So yeah. So after you've wet your hair and put conditioner in it, you need to get a comb and part your hair all the way down through the middle. Check if the parting is straight, so get a mirror and then look in a mirror to see the back. I'm going to do that right now to check if my parting is straight. If it's not straight, I'm going to just redo it until it is straight. So after you've parted your hair, you need to tie one side and keep it away until you've done the other side. So this is one side that I am working on. I'm brushing my hair just so, like, you know, it is ready to be braided. The first thing that you need to do is brush your hair away from you so that it's prepared to get slick up, because I like to make my braids high up. I don't know about you, but yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is get conditioner. I use Tresemme. Well, I actually use Cantu, but for this hairstyle I'm going to add Tresemme to my hair. Just like this much. So you're going to have to take a section of your hair and put it into 3 parts. I braid my hair in a weird way. So before you braid your hair, you're going to have to know how to braid normally. And I'm not explaining how to braid normally, but yeah. So just start off with braiding your hair normal. So after you've braided it a couple times, I put the 3rd section in my mouth, and that's how, like, weird I do it, but yeah. And then I'm finding it hard to talk, but yeah. Grab some hair from this side up here, and then grab some hair from the bottom and add it to the other 2 sections and braid like normal. So do you understand that? So you take the 2 sections and add more hair to them as you braid. So look, I'm taking some hair from here, I'm taking some hair from here, and then braiding. But I put my hair in my mouth because I can't hold my hair properly without doing it. So once you get the hang of it, you can start doing it faster. And then once you reach the end, just carry on braiding like so. And carry on braiding until you can't braid anymore, then tie up the braid. So this is what my braid looks like. It's not done because I need to do my edges for this side. So for my edges, I'm getting my hair gel. This is Eco Styler Gel in the flavor coconut oil. And I need a toothbrush. This is the toothbrush. This is the hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
It's hard, and I can be needy.